Are you not sure if your VLC Media Player is up to date? In this video, you will know exactly how to check for updates and get newest version installed. To begin, open VLC Media Player. Go to the Help menu, then check for updates. VLC will now check whether a newer version is available. In my case, VLC version 3.0.23 is available. So to grab the latest version, simply click Yes. The update will now begin downloading. Just wait for the process to complete. Once download is finished, you will see new version is ready. Go ahead and click on Install. Choose your preferred language, then click OK. On Welcome screen, click Next. Select recommended option to keep your existing VLC settings, then click on Next. Installation will now begin. Simply wait until it's finished. When installation is complete, you can leave this option checked, then click Finish. Go back to the Help menu and select Check for Updates again. As you can see, we are now running latest version of VLC Media Player. So that's how you can check for updates and install the latest version of VLC Media Player.